Welcome back everyone. Today we're making a beat for the Weeknd. More specifically, an 80s style synthwave track like Blinding Lights. We always start with chords, so today we're going to switch it up. I lied, let's start with chords. By the way, we're at 170 BPM. I see way too many comments online saying you can't make good beats with a major scale, or that this guy is the C major final boss. Well, today I'm proving you were all wrong. We're in the G major scale and we're only using major chords. We're also using this cool rhythm where these notes hit just before the third bar. Now, my bad if this next part gets confusing. We're using C major chords twice, one using the third E as the bass note, one using the root C as the bass note with this G pitched down an octave. Then we have this G major chord with some revoicing, and this D major chord with some revoicing as well. Right, now let's take a long hard look at ourselves. Major chords and keys aren't that bad after all, are they? Reflection over, let's go on to the top line melody. We're simply going to take a lead sound. I've taken this preset from Grain X4 and laid down a simple melody again in the G major scale. I used Grain X4 for all of the sounds in my beat. It's currently 50% off to only $49 and linked in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Drum time. Let me break down this pattern. We have a snare on the second and fourth beats, a two-step hi-hat, and some perks. And a punchy kick. Pretty simple, right? Sound selection is key with these type of beats. If you're enjoying this, then please like and subscribe. And if you aren't, then why are you still watching this video? I forgot to explain the bass line. It literally just copies the bass notes of the chords. I took this Moog or Reese bass preset from Grain X4. I think that's everything. I've got a few riser and transition effects just for the build-up. Oh, and there's also this low pass sweep on the master which creates this underwater sound. And that's how you make a The Weeknd type beat. I hope you all learned something from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my future content. Because what could possibly be more important than a Listen Up James video? Don't answer that one.